Hey there everybody, Joel Nyberger, SERVPRO of Tigard, Tualatin. Wanted to kind of show you guys around one of our job sites that we got going on right now. Last night, in the middle of the night, a local medical facility in our community had a major water loss. They called us, our technicians were on site within the hour. We were able to get out here, start extracting the water that was on the bottom level. Setting our dehumidifiers, setting our industrial sized air movers to try and stabilize the environment, try to reduce the amount of moisture in the air and in the materials in the building. We were successfully able to start the drying process. The extracting process is completed, and now I'm going to kind of show you around our job site and what our equipment setup is like. And you'll see some blue tape on the wall. That's kind of how high the water has reached on the walls. You'll see the perimeter of where the water's reached. We use blue painter's tape to track all the perimeter. That's one of the main things we do when we come on site. First thing is check to make sure we have found the extent of where the water has reached, so we know the full extent of what we need to do to help the building out, whether it's a residential, commercial building, what have you. Again, if any of your facilities have any kind of issues with water damage, fire damage, mold, biohazard, remember to call SERVPRO of Tigard Tualatin. We're always here to help. We want to make it like it never even happened.